In the last few video tutorials, you have learned how to work with Creo Illustrate, how to use the Home tab, Figure tab, how to make the animation, and how to work with callouts, magnifier, or symbols. Today, I'd like to finalize the Creo Illustrate tutorial with the exporting files. You can select File and Publish, and you are able to publish the final illustration. If you will open the Publish illustration, you can see that we are able to publish as the PVZ file. It's a native file for Creo View. So if I will hit Save, the system will save the necessary PVZ file for me. And if we will open the destination folder, we can see that new PVZ file is created. You can share it with your colleagues or suppliers. And if you will open this PVZ file by Creo View, so simple double click, and system will open Creo View Lite. This is the free viewer, and you are able to visualize the 3D model as was stored immediately by Creo, or you can jump to Viewables, and over here, as you can see, there are figures from Creo Illustrate. If you remember, in the last video tutorial we have spoken about magnifier, for example, and the system will show me the visualization of the magnifier, but also we have spoken about the callouts, or I am able to open the symbols. What is great that everything is possible to zoom in, zoom out. You are able to spin the model, so everything is possible to investigate. And if you will select the object, the system automatically show you necessary object in the model tree. If I will open another one, for example, figure 2, again, it's a viewable. You are able to spin the model. Also, you can hide components if necessary, or you can change the render mode directly. So the system remember all preferences from Creo View, and also you are able to show the visualization, for example, in full windows, because right now I have opened it for objects, so separately you are able to open. If you will hit for example this window and you would like to change the visualization, for example, to figure 3, system will change it, and over here we have a visualization for the sections. I can close this window, and we would like to make some more export for Creo Illustrate. Back in Creo Illustrate, you can select File, and you are able to publish to separate files or publish and view, but I like to focus that you are able to save figure as. And as you can see, you can save figure as image file. In the image, you can see that there are a few types, for example, BMP file, JPEG file, PNG, and so on, or also the PDF. If you will select File, Save Figure as 3D file, you can see that the actual illustration we are able to save as IGs, 3D PDF, or step file, or other file types. And last but not least is File, Save Figure as the Save as Illustration file, and we can see that we are able to export the data to ISODraw or CGM file, or as the SVG file. In this video tutorial, you have learned how you are able to communicate with your partners, how you are able to share data, and also export data to image, 3D data, or additional illustration file types. Thanks for your comment, questions, likes, and sharing the video. Take care, and bye-bye.